For the longest time, gamers would avoid purchasing wireless gear, mainly because of the lack of dependability. However, recently, manufacturers have been stepping up their game. Hey, what's up guys, it's Infusion, and today we'll be taking a look at the G933s, a wireless gaming headset that may just be the best of its kind. So the Logitech G933s have a lot going for them, but are there any cons that should stop you from purchasing them? Let's find out. Starting off with build quality, this is an incredibly well-built gaming headset. Although it's mostly plastic, somehow they still look like super well-made headphones. Because they're so light, when picking them up, they feel low budget. However, I really enjoy them being so lightweight. It's actually one of the big factors to them being so comfortable. The padding on the headband and ear cups is super comfortable. The mesh material is breathable, which is critical for longer gaming sessions. I'm able to wear this headset for hours upon hours without any fatigue, and I can't say that about many headphones. The overall design of the G933s looks great. They have a futuristic look to them, and the custom RGB lighting that supports 16 million colors makes them look even better. The removable side plates reveal the battery and USB Bluetooth dongle. Logitech's engineering on this is genius. It's a great way to make the battery easily accessible for replacements, and it also provides a great place to store the USB Bluetooth dongle while traveling. Not only that, but players can purchase custom side plates or 3D print their own to match their team's brand. I really like how the ear cups are big enough to fit over the entire ear. Rubbing would cause irritation or fatigue, and that's just something you don't want to deal with. So possibly my favorite feature about this headset is the microphone. It's a boom microphone that can be hidden away very easily when not in use, and when it's tucked away, if you knew nothing about this headset, you'd probably have a hard time finding it. When completely pulled out, you will see a flexible cable from the mic that allows you to adjust the position to better suit your wearing style. So the microphone quality is pretty decent, and it's actually the audio you're hearing now. For what it's made for, it's perfect, but don't expect it to be as good as some desk-mounted microphones. There's built-in noise cancellation on this microphone, which is something we see on all high-end gaming headsets today, so it's nice to see it wasn't forgotten here. When it comes to functionality, the G933s really shine. On the left ear cup, we have a few buttons and controls on the back. Starting from the bottom, we'll find a volume wheel. It felt awkward reaching behind my head at first to adjust the volume, however I quickly became used to the position, and now I'm so glad it's there. Above the volume there are 4 buttons. G1, 2, and 3 are fully programmable in the Logitech gaming software, and the lowest button is for muting the microphone. I don't find myself using the mute button very often, because simply moving the microphone to an upwards position will automatically mute it. I also want to mention the red LED light on the end of the microphone, which lets you know the microphone is muted. This is easy to see in your peripheral vision, and hopefully it prevents you from forgetting that your mic is muted. So how do the Logitech G933s sound? Well, they sound great. The audio drivers pump out clean highs and mids, and really have a punch with the bass. If the stock sound you get doesn't impress you, within the Logitech gaming software, you are able to choose between many different EQ presets and even create your own. So another huge feature is the capability of surround sound. The G933s can be switched into 7.1 surround sound mode. It's really cool playing a game in 7.1. You feel like you're there. Within the surround sound control panel, you can switch between Dolby Digital and DTS, and you can even get down in the weeds and change the volume of each channel being fed to your ears. I wouldn't call myself a hardcore audiophile, but personally the overall sound quality really impressed me. While they're not the best I've ever heard, this headset is able to compete with many high-priced headphones on the market today. So when I was looking to purchase this headset, I was really skeptical of connectivity and response of the G933s. I mean, there's reviews everywhere on the internet saying how great and perfect they are, but I really wanted to test them out for myself. After a few weeks of usage, I could not be more pleased with how this headset performs. I couldn't find any audio latency or lag, and the response time is on point. There is no delay in the microphone, and there are no dropouts of audio. Everything is, well, perfect. Maybe it shouldn't, but for some reason that really impresses me. We've come such a long way with wireless technology, and it's a change I welcome. So if I had to find something wrong with the Logitech G933s, the only thing that could be improved is battery life. I mean, Logitech advertises 8-hour battery life with lighting effects and 12 without. I had to start charging after about 5 to 6 hours. After I turned lighting off, I got about 8 hours. I don't find this to be a big issue, however I just wish the advertised numbers were a little bit more accurate. This isn't a real deal breaker because you can use the headset while charging it with the provided micro USB cable. So who are the G933s for? Well, really they're for anyone looking for the best wireless headset you can get without having a crazy high price tag. At just $120, you're getting the best features on the market mixed with a great comfortable design. They're cross-platform, so whether you want them for your gaming console, PC, or even Nintendo Switch, they're perfect for you. I'll leave a link in the description below so you guys can go check them out. Anyways guys, that's all for this video. What is your guys' favorite gaming headset? Let me know in the comments below. As always guys, if you enjoyed this video or found it helpful in any way, please remember to leave a like, and don't forget to comment and subscribe. I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and until next time guys, peace out.